Say the cucumber water is supposed to be really healthy for you, so
I don't believe it. I don't think you do either. This Saturday, we're doing the sparkling berry lemonade. It's a mocktail. Yeah, that's very aromatic. That's awesome.
Cool.
So even your kids can enjoy it. You can use some frozen strawberries as the ice. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell. Blistering hot outside, you come into the AC, you grab one of those. Now let's get into it. Alrighty.
Mocktail.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. So no booze.
No booze this time.
So everyone can enjoy.
That's right.
I like it. I like it.
You know, sometimes you just need a drink in the evening or at lunchtime with a good old potato salad.
That's right.
And so we thought, why not?
Hey, mocktails are great, you know.
That's right.
Kids can have fun. If you don't drink, you can have fun. And you know what? You don't have to have booze to have fun.
It's true. You don't.
And then some of the campsites don't allow alcohol.
That's true.
But they may think you're drinking a cocktail, but just go, nah, Mr. Host.
Uh-huh.
It's a mocktail.
Exactly.
So, we got some cucumber.
Yes.
That's fun.
That's right. We got some cucumber in this drink. We got some mint in this drink. Yeah, I might as well go ahead and start getting the water heated up first.
Yes.
So we got 2 cups of water.
I'm gonna bring to a boil.
Bring it to a boil. We got about 2 tablespoons, or really half a baby cucumber. We're gonna just dice up, basically.
And what, just add this to the boiling water?
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh, cool.
We're gonna steep the veggie, or, well,
Yeah,
I guess it is a veggie. We're gonna steep it with our mint to make like an infused water, I guess you could say.
awesome. Okay. And then you're gonna chop it in your mint up while it's to break it up.
Oh yeah, yeah. And we'll also chop up our mint.
Awesome. And we got some frozen berries.
Yes.
We're just keeping them in the freezer because it is rather warm on a Texas summer.
Yeah, it really is. It's very warm, actually. I don't know if you can see the sweat on us, but.
No, not me. I'm perfectly fine.
All right. I don't believe it. I don't think you do either. We should have started this water before.
Yes, we should have.
Like before we even started.
You started cutting veggies, so note, start your water before you start cutting veggies.
That's right. So we'll be back. And we've got boiling water now.
All right.
You know what that means?
It's time to steep.
That's right. This is a steep ask. We're just gonna add our.
That wasn't even good.
Yeah, I know. This is. That was. You really had to just.
Yeah, that was bad.
So we added our cucumbers and our mint to our boiling water that we cut.
For 2 minutes. Mm-hmm. And ooh, that.
Yeah, that's very aromatic. That's awesome.
Cool. All right, and now.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make some garnish.
Awesome. I'm just gonna get a little spoon to stir that.
Oh, cool. Yeah. I think we'll do some wheels. We can also try something a little different too. Well, let me get one more wheel. There we go. Just go that way. Cut the ends off.
Did you want any little mint sprigs for your garnish?
Yeah, of course. Who wouldn't want a mint sprig?
We have some really good strawberries and some blackberries.
Yeah, actually really good strawberries. Those bad boys are awesome.
Now don't use them all, but what is it?
We're gonna be using about 1/3 of a cup.
All right. Now we're gonna save some we can put in the garnish as ice.
Yeah.
To mix in.
Oh yeah, you can use some frozen strawberries as the ice so you don't really dilute your drink.
Like the daiquiri.
Yeah.
Now you can just throw them in cool, and then once they kind of start thawing,
It'll kind of cool that water down too, so you're not drinking hot beverage.
And then you just kind of macerate or mash
Yeah.
the little berries.
Now, I guess you could kind of do that into the strainer, couldn't you? But, well, if you do that, then you might get debris.
Yeah. So I'm just going to take a muddler
Oh, yeah.
and just smash these guys just
Look
to
at
kind of
that.
release their flavor. Ooh.
Wow.
There we go.
You can smell the strawberries and stuff, too.
That's good. I like it. And, these are really good berries, and that's why we sometimes freeze them.
Yeah,
Don't
exactly.
use them, freeze them. There's nothing wrong with frozen berries.
Yeah, and this is really such a simple mocktail recipe. I mean,
Wow, that smells. I could just drink this.
yeah, well, we probably could.
All right, take this over.
Yeah, go ahead and strain it off. Look at that. That does look like a mixed berry.
It does. It's really pretty.
Wow.
I'm gonna pop those couple berries I missed.
Awesome.
That is wild. That's
Look at
pretty.
that. That's so cool.
I like it. Good job.
Awesome. Well, while I'm getting this into our little container, you want to get some ice? Oh. How was that?
That's good. You can really taste the cucumber.
I want to try it.
You can really get that berry. And the
Oh, wow.
mint.
Yeah.
That's gonna make it, man. That's a great. It would be really good if you did. What is this, about 2 cups? Then add 2 cups of sugar, and you could have a really cool like cucumber
Oh, cucumber simple
berry
syrup.
simple syrup.
Yeah.
For the other cup, that's a good. Hey, this is a double recipe.
That's right.
Add 2 cups of sugar, and you got an awesome berry mint cucumber simple syrup.
That's true. That's a good idea. We should do that sometime.
Those are all the ideas I have.
That's right. So now we're just gonna pour this into our little container, and apparently it's needs some air. So let me pull that out so I can get some air up in there. And of course, all of this isn't gonna fit, but that's fine. It's not a big deal. We can drink that later. Boom, look at that. And then we add our little pour spout inside. We're good to go.
It's quite simple.
Uh-huh.
And you know, if you make that ahead of time, you just keep it in your fridge.
That's
and
right. It'd
when
probably
you want
keep-
little drinks. You just pull it out.
In your fridge,
Bada boom,
it'll
bada boom.
keep at least a week, I would say. At
Oh
least.
yeah.
Also, in this recipe, the lemonade you use is gonna change. Is this a sugar-free? Is this low sugar? Is it really sugary? Your lemonade is what's gonna add the sugar.
Yeah, and we're using one of those little sparkling, and you want a sparkling lemonade, not a plain lemonade. You want the bubbles. I guess if you use a plain lemonade, top it off with a little club soda to give you the tinglies.
Yeah.
But we like the little ice lemonade, and we have some really fun. That was when we would go to this one state park. They had a little state park store, and that was when these were first coming out. And it was the middle of summer, and we'd be hiking, and we'd always take a little stop in the state park store
Yep.
because there was AC.
That's exactly
They could cool
what.
off, and they had these, and they only taste really good there.
Yeah. They taste way better when it's blistering hot outside. You come into the AC, you grab one of those.
And just the most
down
refreshing
it.
thing.
That's
Oh,
right.
That's
So-
why we're using the ice.
So what do you think? You want to do this first and
Yeah.
the rest on top?
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking too. So we're doing 1.5 ounces of our berry syrup. Well, it's not really syrup, it's just infused water.
No.
Boom. And then we're doing 4 ounces of this, but I'm just gonna top it.
Well, I would, for this big a glass, that was probably for a smaller glass.
Do a double?
Yeah, I'll do it. We're doing a double. We're getting crazy.
Whoa! Wow, pour me a double.
Oof. Been a long day.
It has.
Long day hiking.
It really has. I just can't believe it. Okay, here we go. Just kind of slowly pour it. Maybe we get that color separation. Although it is bubbly, so it might mix.
That's fun. And then we're going to stir it together.
Boom! Look at that. That's cool. I like that.
There you go. And
Yeah, stir it up.
as Bob Marley would say.
That's right. Oh, look at that, dude.
Garnish
Boom.
it. Taste it. Enjoy it.
Boom. Now you can do your little wheel like that. Or if you want to get crazy, you can just do kind of like a
Big old pickle.
big old pickle. But I like the little circles. Boom.
In the industry, we like to call them wheels.
Well, it's a circle.
How's it?
Oh, that's really good.
Refreshing?
That's so refreshing. That is awesome. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, I could just drink that, man.
Yeah,
I'm glad it's hot because it gives the real
it does. Like,
refreshingness. That is,
I'm getting the feeling that we had at the state park.
yeah, the cucumber,
Yeah.
which, you know, there's, say the cucumber water is supposed to be really healthy for you. So this is a really good, refreshing summer drink, man.
This is an awesome recipe. Now,
Oh, we're
the
gonna,
best part is your whole family can enjoy this,
yeah, and if you want,
even if you're on a diet.
yeah, and if you want it a little boozy, just throw in a little vodka, but I don't
Yeah.
think you need it. It's more,
You really don't.
God, picnic lunch, make a picture of this. Take a,
Seriously.
This is one of my new
Seriously.
favorites.
And if you want to have some crazy fun too, if you got a Brookshire's or something, you can get some dry ice. Put a little dry ice in there, and it'll be like bubbling. It'd be cool.
There you
But
go.
yeah, it's an awesome mocktail that you should definitely try this summer. And
And you definitely can drink responsibly with this.
that's right.
Have as many as you want.
You can drink as many as you want. But if you do add vodka, drink responsibly.
Yeah.